at the Chocolate Bar in Reno, Nevada. I know that some of you can't let go of your inner child, and if that is so, then this is the drink for you. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fruit roll-up martini. It's going to be fun. First thing we do is fill the glass with ice. And we're going to do 1 ounce of orange vodka or mandarin. We're doing Smirnoff today. 1, 2. Then we're going to do 2.5 ounces of blue curacao, which is also a orange flavored liqueur like triple sec. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to add 1 cup of cranberry juice. Shake it up. Go, and I'm going to go get it. Then just strain into the chilled martini glass. Very blue. And then garnish with fruit roll-up strips. Very fun for your inner child. That's fun. Ooh. And put a little cherry in there. Go. And that is the fruit roll-up martini. Again, my name is Gail Gramlich. Come see us at the Chocolate Bar in downtown Reno, Nevada.